Hey creators, before you upload your next YouTube videos, stop scrolling because I'm about to show you 5 most important YouTube settings that can literally make or break your channel, and most small creators don't even know they exist. So before we dive in, welcome back to BJorez Official. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and how to make money online. So if today happens to be the first time you come across my channel, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So before you upload your next YouTube video, ensure that these 5 settings that I'm about to show you right now on this particular video are being set properly on your channel. So the number 1 settings we have on our list is channel keywords, because this tells YouTube who you are. Yes, this actually lets YouTube to know that this is what this channel is all about, or this is what this person is actually doing on his or her channel. So make sure to add a strong keyword that describes your channel or that describes your niche. Example, tech reviews, vlogs, tutorials, or health and fitness. So any of those niche, you make sure that you add this keyword. You add keywords according to your niche for YouTube to know that this is what your channel is actually focusing on. And you know that without setting this up on your channel, YouTube will not be able to know who to recommend your videos to. YouTube is not going to know the type of audience that they are going to be recommending your videos to. So, and this will lead to low views or engagement on your videos. So the number 2 settings we have on our list now is audience settings. Yes, which is made for kids or not made for kids. So this particular settings, a lot of people do ignore these settings because they feel like this is just a minor thing. But let me tell you, if you choose this wrongly, YouTube can stop recommending your videos. YouTube can stop, or YouTube can off comments. They can limit your notification, and these particular options can reduce your reach, which can literally kill your engagement silently. The number 3 settings we have on our list is channel layout. Yes, this is actually your home page setup. You make sure that you set up your home page in a way that once a new visitor visit your channel, they are going to be impressed. They are going to decide whether to stay or to leave. So on your channel layout, ensure to add popular, shorts, or playlist. Understand? So you have to add shorts or playlist or any of your viral video, because this is what anybody that visit your channel or that comes across your channel is actually going to see first. Ensure that your home page is very clean, intentional, and easy to explore. The number 4 settings that we are going to be looking at right now is branding, because this actually makes your channel to stand out. So make sure to upload your profile, your channel profile. You upload your banner and you state it clear on the banner that this is what your channel is all about. Understand? So let people understand what your channel is all about from the branding. So make sure that this is written boldly on your channel banner to help people recognize what your channel is actually all about. The number 5 and one of the most important settings that we are going to be looking at, which is the last one, is notifications and privacy settings. Yes, many people do ignore these particular settings, but forgetting that notifications or privacy settings will actually help you get notified when people comment on your videos. Because you know, as a new creator or as a small creators on YouTube, when people or when you post a video and people actually comment on your video and you are quick to reply the comment, this will actually give you more engagement. Yes, it will make the algorithm to push your video more, showing that your channel is actually engaging or you are doing something better on your channel. So ensure to turn on all important notifications so that you will not get missed out on important updates or new YouTube updates. Also, make sure that your subscription and playlist are on public. Small creators grow faster when they engage quickly. Yes, and this settings is going to actually make you to respond to your comments, as in whatever updates that YouTube has or whatever new updates that YouTube comes up with, you'll be alert and you also be connected. Understand? Or before you upload that your next video, make sure to fix these settings right now. Ensure to fix these 5 settings that I have just mentioned on this particular video, because Views don't just come from great videos, they come from smart setup. Understand? So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, leave a comment below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post important video like this. Bye.